in a split stance position with most of my weight on my front leg. I'm going to start with my knee unlocked. I'll reach my hips back as I bow forward, keeping my back as flat as possible. If I do this correctly, I'll feel a stretch on the front leg hamstrings. As I stand up, I'll push through that front leg. What I want to avoid is if I have my leg in back, I don't want to shift my weight towards that side or have my heel down. Shift your weight forward. This back leg is just for a kickstand for help, but majority of the weight is on that front leg.